Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we learn Omino Snake plugin in After Effects. It's a free plugin. So let's get started. First we create a spline effect composition. Then we import the image and scale it. Then we create a new solid layer, line. We are applied the Omino Snake plugin on it. Then we create a mask on like this. Then we create a new composition, noise map. Then we create a solid layer, fractal noise map. And applied fractal noise effects. And playing some settings, same as I do. Then we create a mask, and increase feather. Then we set key on offset turbulence. And applied VC color vibrance effects, and change color. Format alpha is on. Then we open spline effect composition, and import noise map comps. And turn off visibility. Then we go line layer and change some settings, same as I do. Then we duplicate the line layer and turn off visibility off the first line layer. Then we change some set. Turn on visibility of line layer. Then we apply tint and deep glow effect on it and change the color. Copy the effect tint and deep glow and paste on line layer. Then duplicate the line layer and set to the other circle. And it's done. If you want this plugin, DM me on Instagram. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming updates and amazing tutorials.